Hi, welcome back. Today I want to talk about a new utility that I found on Linux called GPU-T, which is kind of a Linux replacement for GPU-Z. It is over here on GitHub. There's 3 contributors for it, and it obviously is an open source project. It's written in C# and a little bit of shell. It's got hardware resonance and identifies everything. Identifies if you have Resizable BAR enabled, your BIOS version, if it can be read out, memory type, Vulkan, OpenCL, VA API, and it's vendor agnostic. So it currently supports AMD Radeon GPUs. It is designed to support Nvidia and Intel in the future, however. So there is the Arch Linux AUR package that you can install. And you have the Git version, you have AppImage, but there is a universal AppImage. So you download the latest AppImage from the releases tab. So if you're on something like Fedora or anything like that, you can just go over here to releases, go here, scroll down, and there is an AppImage. I do currently have it installed on my CatchyOS install. So if I go to System, scroll down, you'll see it literally looks like GPU-Z. So it knows I have an RX 7900 GRE and Navi 31, 5 nanometer. It knows the manufacturer is ASRock. It's got the ROPs and the TMUs. It is showing PCI Express x16 by 4.0, but it is using the full 16 PCI Express lanes at 4.0 speeds. The number of shaders in my GPU, the 80 compute units, the pixel fill rate, texture fill rate. It knows it's using Samsung GDDR6, the bus width, memory size, 16 gig. It's 576 gigabyte a second. And it's got my Mesa driver, the Vulkan API. It's got the GPU clock, memory clock, and the boost. This stuff's read kind of in a weird way. But so you've got here and then here, you got stuff like that, but then Resizable BAR is enabled. It does see that I'm using OpenCL. You can see that it's capable of seeing CUDA. It does see ROCm and HIP installed that I do have installed. See support for Vulkan, ray tracing, and OpenCL. I only have one GPU in my system, my 7900 GRE, but then you have sensors. So I'm currently encoding in OBS Studio at 4K 60 on my desktop, and it's using VA API. So let's see if I can resize this to get all of that. Got the GPU clock. The GPU clock's hardly doing anything. Memory clock, the GPU temp, the hotspot temp, the memory temperature, my fan speed. The fans are not moving at all. I can see that on the case. GPU load's 5%, memory controller load, memory used. So it's using over 1.6 gig of RAM. So it's using 50 watts on the card, but it sees my CPU temperature also, which is 34.3. System memory that's used is 3 gig. And it'd be funny if this could show my CPU load, because in OBS, my CPU load is at 0.3%. So, and you do have this advanced. It does give you a little more information, but it's, this stuff I really don't know. But AMD GPU, Mesa version, direct rendering, KDE Wayland, the kernel version. But if you're looking for anything to replace GPU-Z, if you're someone that's doing testing on Windows and Linux, this is a good replacement for Linux users to have a GPU-Z type setup with Nvidia cards. It would come in handy because the 50 series GPUs, the ROPs would be incorrect. If the card actually was missing ROPs, you'd be able to check it with this tool. I plan on testing it with an Nvidia card in the future. I'm actually going to test it on my laptop that has Intel integrated and an old Nvidia 1650 Ti in it. Not a very high-end GPU, but I want to see if it can see the Nvidia data, since it can see more than one GPU. But if this is helpful to anybody out there, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Later.